Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about enumeration in cybersecurity. Enumeration in cybersecurity is a crucial phase in ethical hacking and penetration testing. It involves systematically probing a target system or network to gather detailed information about its components and operations. This information can then be used to identify vulnerabilities and potential entry points for an attack. Don't worry, I will make it simple. Enumeration is the process of extracting valid information from a system, such as usernames, machine names, share names, directory names, and other details. This information helps ethical hackers understand the structure and layout of the target system, making it easier to identify weaknesses and exploit them. Attackers use various techniques for enumeration. They are network scanning, user enumeration, service enumeration, DNS enumeration. Today we will discuss about a tool named nbtscan. That is NetBIOS scan. nbtscan is a command line tool used for scanning IP networks to gather NetBIOS name information. It sends NetBIOS status queries to each address in the specified range and lists the received information in a human-readable format. The nbtscan command is used with the nbtscan tool to perform a recursive scan of a network. This means that nbtscan will not only scan the specified IP range, but also attempt to identify and list NetBIOS names and other information from devices within that range. You can see nbtscan found IP address of devices and their NetBIOS name, also identified their MAC address. nbtscan command is used to enable verbose mode in the nbtscan tool. It provides more detailed output, including additional information about the scan process and the responses received from the devices on the network. Now we will discuss about a new tool called enum4linux. Before that, we will find out how many machines are active in the network. This is the IP address assigned to my device. Now we will find all devices in same IP range. By using the nmap tool, we are able to find out all the devices active in the network. Before beginning the practical, we have to make sure the machine is active. The enum4linux tool is used for enumerating information from Windows and Linux systems using the lightweight directory access protocol. -a, this option tells enum4linux to perform an aggressive scan. You find more information using enum4linux. We have to use two switches. Is -u and -p. U is for specifying the username, and -p is for the password. After providing these details, let's see what is output we are going to get. We can see the tool found various shared documents and path in the machine. This is how attackers can enumerate details about the victim machine. In the next session, we will discuss about how to exploit them.